Tiberius! Please wait. I need to tell you something.
What's happening, Legionnaire Exova?
I don't think I can go on. I don't think I'm gonna make it, Tiberius.
What do you mean?
This addiction, it has a hold of me. I think I'm heading for a relapse.
Relapse? But you are Exova the Conqueror. You must conquer your addictions. You must rise above.
Tiberius, this is hard. This dopamine reward loop, it pains me. Do you have any motivating words? Can you tell me the benefits of this Nofap journey if I hold out? What benefits await me at the end of this journey if I hold on?
Tiberius, let me handle this.
Of course, General.
Almighty Jupiter, I request 3 things of the Legion. Please bless the entire army with extra strength to continue the journey. Please show the Legionnaires battling this addiction what awaits them if they pursue their struggle. And finally, please summon the Celestial Orchestra so we can truly bring the Nofap benefits to life.
General Trajan, leader of the Self-Improvement Army, your request has been granted. To victory!